Hey everybody, it's Leon. Check out what I have here. I have a bag of little stones and I'm going to show you guys what we've got here and how it kind of works and what I can do with it. Let's open it up. And I have a vase of fake flowers. But what I want to do is I want to make it look pretty, and you can see when I touch it, it's just yucky right now. So I want to wash all these. I want to rinse them off. So I'm just going to go in here, rinse them off, and there we go. And then I can put them in my jar. Let me get another handful here. I'll show you guys what we're doing here in a second. Oh, I dropped one in my disposal. That's not. Probably want to get like a colander or something. I'm just doing it here. I think I dropped one in my disposal. But you get the idea here. Let's see. But look how cool that's looking. So I'm gonna have rocks at the bottom of my fake flowers. So I'm gonna go and finish filling this up, but you get the idea. It looks nice and pretty. If you wanted it to be dry, which I probably will, because what do I need it to be wet for fake flowers? They will look like that. So they're nice and cool looking when they're nice and dry. So super cool. If I wanted to, I could put some sealer on it probably to keep it looking that color and that whatever, but it looks like they're gonna stay that color just by themselves. Like when I just pull one out, they do have some color to it. So really nice, so totally cool. I like it, thumbs up.